Hello everyone, welcome back to Grand Archi classes. Today I am going to give the lecture on the biotechnology and its application. First of all, see what is an biotechnology and its application. The human being using a such resource such as animal, plants and leading to have a better product. Okay, due to the its application. And also simple thing is that recombinant DNA technology also helpful in this process. Now see application. Which includes all these things. First one is therapeutics, second point is diagnostics, third point is bioremediation, fourth point is waste treatment, and fifth point is energy production. Also, now see critical point for biotechnology. First point is that leading to better production of catalyst using the organism such as enzymes. Okay, now see the second point, leading to better optimal condition for the activity of certain things. Taking an example, enzymes or another catalytic things. And optimal and the last is basically what downstream process. I'm writing here. Third point is downstream process. Okay, it basically lead to the what? Basically lead to the purifying of the proteins. See, it is now clear. Now see biotechnology based application in the field of agriculture. First one is simple, it is very simple, that organic agriculture. Second is agro based chemical. Okay, and third and the last is that genetic engineering. Okay, see all these 3 points basically involved in the field of agriculture. Organic agriculture means dealing with certain types of organisms which may be beneficial in the field of agriculture. Now this agro-based chemical agriculture is that thing that we are using insecticide or fungicide. We can better develop nice components which are useful in the field of agriculture without providing any loss to their profit, and genetic engineering is also helpful in that field. Now it is clear. Now see green revolution. First of all, see who is the father of green revolution. It was Norman Borlaug. He also won the Nobel Prize in 1917. Okay, it is clear. Now according to the Indian, in India, who is the father of green revolution? Okay, it was MS Swaminathan. Now one main point is think that green revolution started between 1950 or end of 1960. It is now clear. And also it is a very important question that who is the father of green revolution and who is the father of green revolution in India, and where does at what time it was started. See what is a green revolution. Green revolution basically act on the agricultural field to have a better products in that thing. See all the farmers in their land, they are using basically what? Pesticides. Okay, but it may be harmful. There is another method developed to increase their quality. Also there is one question in your book by which method, without using a insecticide or fungicide, farmer can lead some better products. It is basically genetic modified crops that they are using. It is a basically simple thing that yields better product in that area. Now it is clear what is a green revolution. Now see about GMO. What is a GMO? It is a genetically modified organisms. It is simple thing that plant, animals or bacteria, fungi, virus which manipulate their genes. It is known as genetically modified organisms. Basically, genetic modified organisms or genetically modified thing include certain applications. First one is that more tolerant to abiotic stress, because if there will be abiotic stress it lead to the poor production. Okay, now second point is that reduce reliance on chemical pesticide, because using a chemical pesticide it may be cause harmful to that products also. Third point is that help to reduce post harvest losses. Okay, fifth point is that enhanced nutrition involved of food, example golden rice, it is basically enriched in vitamin A. Now see, genetically modified, basically it supply or provide the resources to industries such as fuels, starch form, or various products which are used in the industries, because they help to develop that thing which may be helpful in a field. Now also see, today we have seen about the genetically modified organisms. It is simple things. It has been developed because to have a proper production in the field of the agriculture. Okay, it's clear.